everybody, this is Jen.
And this is Autumn.
And this is our class summary for Intermediate Lindy Hop, Week 1.
It's October 2013.
Alright, so we had a swing out with a directional shift. We'll do a basic swing out.
Looks like this.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, and then we added tandem Charleston. Yeah, and then we did an entrance from open position. So we'll do that.
Looks like this. Here we go.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Tandem.
Kick, kick, and kick. Rock, step, kick, kick, kick. 1,
Back,
2,
little
3,
push,
4.
swing out.
Alright, that was our class summary for week 1. So have fun practicing the steps, everybody.
So long,
See you on the dance floor.
and thanks for watching.